onye na-elo elo amaghị ihe onye na-ata ata na-agabiga. Ndị be anyị ndeewonu. You're welcome to Amara Bekee, where wisdom speaks with grace and relevance. You're welcome to the voice of Igbo wisdom, where we bring ancient adages back to life, one adage at a time, in a way that everyone can understand and apply to life. In our today's episode of Wisdom Dosage, our adage is onye na-elo elo amaghị ihe onye na-ata ata na-agabiga, and this literally means that he who swallows does not know what he who chews goes through. This proverb uses the difference between swallowing and chewing to show the difference in people's experience, struggles, and burdens. You can't judge someone's life by what you are seeing. Someone may look calm, calculated, and successful, but you don't know the hidden difficulties they are chewing. Not every smile reflects an easy life. Don't envy people. You may see someone swallowing, living comfortably. You don't know the sacrifice, the scars, and the battles they pass to get to that comfort. People rarely show their chewing stage. They only show their swallowing stage. Ease and hardship are not equal. Some people go through soft and easy paths in life, just like swallowing, while others struggle through hard and painful experiences, just like chewing. So this adage reminds us that life treats people differently. Be compassionate and slow to judge. When you see someone struggling, don't rush to criticize them. You don't know the hardness of the bone they are chewing. Likewise, when you see someone doing well, don't assume it came easily. You did not witness their sleepless nights. Appreciate your own journey. Everyone has their own portion. Some days you swallow, while some days you chew. Life is a mixture of ease and difficulty. Every achievement has a backstory. Just as when a child sees a man eating meat effortlessly, he does not know the years of labor that made that possible. Just as when a woman sees another woman living comfortably, she may not note the tears behind that comfort. Life is not equal. Everyone's chewing level is different. Don't assume someone's life is easy just because you saw them swallowing. You never know how hard they had to chew. Daalụ maka ile ihe onyonyo a. Biko ọ bụrụ na ị nwere nkọwa ọzọ n'ilu a nkọwa, maọbụ ị nwere ilu ọzọ ị ga-achọ ka m tọọ ma kọwaa, dere m ya n'akara ide ozi. Echefukwana itinyere m aka n'akara ịhụnanya nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ like. Gbasakwa ozi a ma sorokwa m. Ndewo.